Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video in the View into Huck's World. And today we got a video comparison between the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, there's a lot of you out there with the Galaxy Note 8 wondering which smartphone should you go for. Should it be the Galaxy Note 9 or should it be the Galaxy Note 10 Plus? And then we got some people out there with the Galaxy Note 9 wondering if they should even upgrade or keep the smartphone that they have right now. All right, so with this video is geared to help you make a conscious decision on which smartphone would be best for you. And with that, let's go ahead and kick off this review. All right, you all, let's get this started. First off, the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy Note 10 are two perfect beasts. You can't go wrong choosing any of these smartphones. Samsung makes some of the best products out in the market to date. Now, for the Galaxy Note 9, you can actually find this from $594 all the way up to like $650, which is a good deal for this phone considering that it's over a year old right now. And then we got the Galaxy Note 10 Plus that you can find for almost $1,000, right? Real close to saving $100. I will leave the link in the description down below for you guys to go have a closer look at that. But let's have a look at the Galaxy Note 9, right? This is where I come from. The resolution on this is beautiful. It's a 2960 by 1440. It's a 6.4 inch display. You got the blue color is the one I chose. You got your fingerprint scanner on the back, and all you got to do is just simply touch and you got it. Now, there's a learning curve to this because you got to learn how to finagle. For some people, they said it's natural. For me, it wasn't. But you got these huge bezels that Samsung put on here. Remember the Galaxy Note 8? It had nice bezels. We thought we were going to go back to almost bezel-less display, but we didn't. Samsung put these big bezels on the top and on the side, but it wasn't a deal breaker because I'm team Samsung till the casket drops, right? So you got your power button on this side, you also got your Bixby button, and over on this side you have your power button. Now this is definitely a nice blue color. I don't like black. Black shows up fingerprints too much. This does too, but still it's a better look than the black to me. Now on the bottom you're going to get your, of course, your speaker, single speaker. You're going to get USB Type-C. And with this one, it still has the headphone jack. And you also get your pen. So all in all, this is definitely an awesome look so far as the display is concerned, whether you're watching videos, whether you're on the internet, watching photos. Your viewing experience is going to be beautiful as Samsung always deliver. And I do mean always. Now, let's take a look at the Galaxy Note 10. Now, the Galaxy Note 10 is the new beast in the building, and this thing is beautiful. Now, we talk about the display. Now, the display is a 3040 by 1440, which is off the charts. Now, you're not going to tell really with the naked eye if you get the Galaxy Note 9. It has the Super AMOLED display as well. So again, on both smartphones, your viewing experience, no matter what you're watching, is going to be awesome. Now, this one is a 6.8 inch display. Now, it comes in 4 colors. I chose the Aura Glow color, which is beautiful. I wanted to do something new. They did have the blue color, but I didn't want to go with the blue simply because I wanted to try something different. I'm learning how to just step outside of the box. But this had this Infinity O display at the top, and I got a wallpaper that makes great use of that. You can have some fun with it. If I remember, I'll put a link in the description down below for you guys to check this out. But listen, check this out. This is my live wallpaper that I got on here. This is awesome. I'll leave the link for this one as well. I'm thinking about doing a video on this one too. But listen, with this one, your bezels are minimal, right? As you can see at the bottom, you can see at the top. But let's go into a web page, and therefore you can see it a little bit better. We're on YouTube right now. The bezels has been pushed back tremendously, top, bottom. So your viewing experience is going to look a little bit better because you got more display at your disposal, more real estate. Now, in spite of the fact that this is a 6.8 inch display, they're almost the same size. It's probably a hair taller. The Galaxy Note 10 is, but all in all, I could take the case off of the Galaxy Note 9 and put it on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I'm telling you, both phones look awesome. I do like the camera placement on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus a little bit better than I do on the Galaxy Note 9. Now, the fingerprint scanner, of course, was on the back on the Galaxy Note 9, and on the front, you have the fingerprint scanner on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, it's a learning curve for that one too as well, because you just can't tap on it like you can on the Galaxy Note 9 and get into whether it be your bank account, whether it be your Samsung Pay. On this one, you got to press and hold in order to pull that up. And sometimes it's a hit or miss, so it's a learning curve to that one. Also, what's a learning curve is that you do not get the power button on this one. On the right hand side, it's been switched over to the left. And lefties are feeling it today, right? Bixby still lives. It's inside of the power button. But of course, you can cut that off at any given time. Just simply pinch the zoom, go to the side here, and cut it off or cut it on, whichever one you want to do. So Bixby is still with the Note series. And I'm liking the look. I'm liking the design of the Galaxy Note 10. The battery life on this one is going to be a 4,300 milliamp hour battery, which is beautiful. You're going to get 256 starting off so far as your memory is concerned, your storage, and it goes all the way up to 512. And on both smartphones, you can build up to a terabyte of memory on these smartphones. Now, this one has 8 gigabytes of RAM. This one has a whopping 12. So you're talking about the processing power. It's going to be a beast on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But again, both phones look great so far. The display is concerned. I can't say anything bad about it. And the S Pen is still the same. You got like one big feature on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus that you don't get or you won't have on the Galaxy Note 9. Now, I don't know if it can get ported over through Android Q when it comes. I'm not sure, but what you do have is live message. You get live message over here too as well on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And you can also add shortcuts. You got magnify, you got screen write, you got all the important things you need so far as note taking is concerned. So that's not a deal breaker, but I like the carousel look on the Galaxy Note 9 a little bit better than I do on the Galaxy Note 10. They kind of streamlined it a little bit and just kind of made a straight line out of it. Let me cut this phone on. And yeah, they streamlined it. It looks nice, but I still would like the carousel. I like the way it scrolls when you go up and down it. Now you got everything on here that you would have on the Galaxy Note 9 except for what is called AR Doodle. Now, I'm not going to be using that. That's definitely a gimmick. So if you got your camera on and you got a person in the picture, you can draw a hat or a mustache or whatever you want to draw on there and just kind of play around and have fun. But again, for me, it's a gimmick. That's not something I would be using whatsoever. And again, both phones are a powerhouse. Now, the camera. Let's talk about the camera. On the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, you got a triple camera system on this one. So the photo quality is going to be a little bit better than that of the Galaxy Note 9. Again, I do like this look, but we're going to take a look and see what features this one has that the Galaxy Note 9 doesn't have. And let's do that right now. Now, the Galaxy Note 9, of course, has some features. It has some functions. Your photos, your videos, all of those are going to look vivid. They're going to look nice. Samsung puts the best sensors in all their smartphones. So your picture quality and your videos, again, as I said before, are going to look great. But you got food, you got photos, you got videos, and you also got super slow-mo. You got hyperlapse, but you also get live portrait with this one, which I love. I like the fact that you can blur out the background and bring the subject closer. It gives it an HD look. But on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, you get Instagram photos that you can set up, and you got food, of course. You got night. Now the night is unlike the new Apple phone. You can go right into the night mode just by tapping on it, which I like. You don't have to wait till it get dark to use it. You got panorama, you got pro, just like you got on the Galaxy Note 9. You got live focus, which I love on the Galaxy Note 9 as well. Regular photos, videos. But on this one, you don't have on the Galaxy Note 9, which I tried. It is beautiful. It's called live focus video. You can blur out the background of a video, right? Which is something unheard of, but I like it. But they added filters to this one. Now, I wonder if this is going to get ported over to the Galaxy Note 9 as well. You can change the way the blur effect looks when you're taking a video and or a photo. It does it with live focus photo as well. And I thought it was pretty cool. I thought it was pretty neat that you can change this to whatever design blur that you want it to. So again, it's not going to be a bad choice to pick either, but the question is, which one is right for you? Now, if I drop the screen down, it looks the same pretty much so far as your settings are concerned in the drop screen. And somehow I got out of my dark mode, but it's the same, but you get a little bit more here. What you're going to get, of course, let's go back. You're going to get your screen record. You're going to be able to link your smartphone to Windows. You're going to get PowerShare, which I'll probably never use. Now, I don't know if any of these things will get ported over to this one when we get Android Q, but we can only wait and see. And when an update comes on the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy Note 10, I'm definitely going to do a video and send it out and keep you guys posted. But all in all, here, it's pretty much going to be the same, right? You got connection, sounds, but there are some differences in here that are very minimal, that are nice. Now, here, you're not going to get the iris scanner. You will get it over here. You get facial recognition. You get facial recognition here. And of course, you can put in any password code you want. Again, I don't know why they took it away, but they did. You got device care, which is important to me. Should be important to you. You can go in, you can optimize your battery, you can check your battery status, see how well you're doing on your battery, which is pretty cool. I've been charging up and down this one too as well because I've been, doing videos today. But this is good. This is good. But what I like about the Galaxy Note 10 that I've been playing with a little bit is digital wellness. Now, what it tells me is that I've been on my phone too much. If you look here, this is all Chrome, right? And it tells you how many hours you have been spending in these categories today. 4 hours and 2 minutes for me. I've been in, they got others here, and I got YouTube and Chromecast is the biggest. It lets me know how many is unlocked, how many notifications I've gotten from them. And then you got wind down, and you can set this to wind down at whatever time you want. You can schedule it. And also you got grayscale that you can turn this into, and do not disturb mode, which is on the Galaxy Note 9 as well. So all in all, I thought this was definitely a great smartphone that Samsung brought about with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But the Galaxy Note 9, I got to tell you people, it is not a slouch by no means. It's also a beast. The only deal is that the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is a newer smartphone and it has some extra added features. And just be patient because you may get those features here on the Galaxy Note 9. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know which smartphone did you choose. Will it be the Galaxy Note 9 or will it be the Galaxy Note 10 Plus? All right, you all, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.